there somebody else in there?
Yeah, my friend.
Okay, well sit down.
Yeah, my friend.
A suspected impaired driving pursuit ends in a crash at a major airport, forcing a deputy to choose between chasing a suspect and saving someone trapped inside a burning vehicle.
My subject custody took off running. He's still in cuffs. Tom finding out he just rolled over at the airport. I'm gonna shut down. The car's on fire if you want advice. Phoenix and fire department.
Maricopa County deputies attempted to stop a vehicle during holiday weekend patrols. The driver fled through Phoenix Sky Harbor International Airport, creating a significant public safety risk. Deputies terminated the pursuit, and moments later the vehicle crashed into barriers at the airport.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Roll over! Roll over!
The driver was detained while the injured passenger moved away from the wreck.
Can you call my mom?
I'm on 91. I got one in custody.
Can I call my mom, sir?
Go ahead and roll fire as well. You want to call your mom now? Come on, man.
I don't know what to do, man.
You don't know what to do. Why don't you just pull over? I know. Come on, get up. You don't need to cry now.
I'm so sorry.
We're going to be by Terminal 3. Sit down. Sit down.
And I put my...
Sit down.
You know what, man?
Hey.
My friend.
Is there somebody else in there?
Yeah, my friend.
Okay, well sit down.
Yeah, my friend, sir.
We're trying to help. Top 91, we got one subject trapped in the vehicle, and the hood is on fire. It's in the trunk! Up the...
Please.
Sit down!
Please, my friend, sir.
Sit down! Hey, sit down! Stop fighting. My subject custody took off running. He's still in cuffs. I'm going to stay behind. Hispanic male, gray sweater, black pants.
With one passenger still trapped, the deputy made the decision to return to the crash scene rather than continue the foot pursuit.
I'm going to stay with the subject stuck in the vehicle.
It's okay.
It's westbound.
You got your stick?
Hang it right. Go down that. Should be right in cuffs. Go straight. Past that stop sign.
Watch out.
He's on the road.
The driver was later apprehended, with charges pending toxicology results.
Come on, let's go.
Here he comes. You want to grab him?
All individuals involved were ultimately rescued and are expected to recover.
Yeah.
Okay, hey, what's going on?
No, so I turned my lights off back there. Because he started getting reckless. Yeah, that guy's in cuffs.
Got him?
No, he's in cuffs. He took out running with cuffs on.
This incident highlights how high-risk driving behavior can rapidly escalate into complex emergency situations. If you found this video informative, Consider subscribing for more policing activities from across the nation and help us continue bringing vital incidents from the streets to your screen.